Today is another day. Except this time, I got a nice surprise. Ta-da! Let me try that again. Ta-da! Sony A7 IV, 200 to 600. See if we can get some birds, wildlife, whatever we can shoot. So we were at one of my local parks, checking out a couple of the trails. It just got done raining. We had a big winter storm roll through. A bunch of trees fell, so they came in and cleared everything up. But today, I have the Sony 200 to 600 paired with the A7 IV, and we're gonna see what kind of photography we can get today. There's tons of birds. You could probably hear it. You probably hear the cars from the street over there. It's a little close, but nevertheless, there's a ton of brush, a ton of birds. We should be able to get some good shots today. Let's see what we can do. Probably should have brought a wider lens, but I don't know, we'll see. I see a cool little leaf hanging in the tree over here. That's cool. That sucker's out there too. I love these super zooms. I think I got a good one. Yeah, it's pretty good. Not bad. Let's put this little guy. Well, I think our luck's run out today. Not seeing a lot of movement. This guy jumping around in the trees here. And he's gone. Can we get him? Nope. It's so hard to now focus through all these branches. Here we go.